Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Clokey back here with another video, and today we are back on howl.gg. I've got $612 in skins. It's looking pretty nice. If you guys want to come and check out the site, go over to free coins, type in code Clokey right here, press claim, you'll get yourself a free 50 cents. Other than that, like, subscribe, turn on noties, and let's get right into the video. Alright boys, I'm going to put all of these lower tiered skins into the wheel, and we're gonna go for a 10x, bro. That's could be an amazing start for the fucking video, so please let's see this 10x. While we wait for that to go, let's put up a flip. Let's do 170. Come on, boom. Oh, we need a 10, please. Okay, what am I at if I lose? 390. All right, come on, be at like fucking $600. Okay, someone's joining me. Gimme. That could be a 10. That could be a 10. Just slow down. A lot? Not quite. Okay, come on. Let's win this at least, bro. Come on. Please. I think that's a win. Hell yeah. Okay, boom. Nice. Now, we just double down. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, this flip's going before. Oh, please. I think that's a dub. Fuck yes, dude, yes! That's huge, let's go! Oh, thank you, yes, I did not think I was gonna win. I'm gonna be honest, I was not confident at all. Deposit into pot. There we go. Alright, let's call this bot. Let's get it going. Close my eyes until I hear the little ding noise, and then I can't tell. Come on. Alright. Damn, fuck. Oh, no, dude. No. Okay, I'm gonna call the bot now. And come on. I really need to win that flip. Okay, yeah, I missed here. 40% chance, goddamn. I really have to win this, please. Please let me win. Yes! Let's go! Oh my god, yes, dude. Yes. I'm gonna take it. I was thinking about doubling down. We have to take that. If I doubled down and lost, I would not be able to forgive myself. Oh my god, yes, thank you. Please. Okay, it's hitting a lot of reds. Fuck. Please! Nice, that's a dub. Okay, that's a dub. Nice, let's go. Okay. Double down black. Come on. Please, bro. Please. I lost. Fuck, I should have taken it. What was I thinking, man? Okay, we're up. Almost 400. Oh, shit. Roller coaster of emotions, boys. That could hit a 10 if it just slows the fuck down. I think I'm gonna all in. Why in the hell are my dogs barking, bro? Come on, black. I think that's a dub. Nice, let's go. Okay. Oh. Now we just double down on black. Come on, bro. Please. This would be so big. Oh my god. Okay, let's see a red here. That's a red. Okay, we don't care about this flip. Come on. Please, bro. Please. 2 blocks in a row, please. It's hitting so many reds for everyone else. Come on. I think it's done. Yes! Let's go, dude! Yes! Oh my god, yes! Yes, thank you. Oh, fuck yes, dude. Like, there's a gut feeling that says go red, but half of me wants... Or maybe we just take it. Come on. Let's see it. Come on. Yes! Let's go! Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Come on, bro. Please, for fuck's sake, please. Oh my god, this would put us up to almost 2K, dude. Please. Okay, that's a red. Dude, we're seeing reds. On these other flips. Come on, bro. Black, please. I'm begging. Show black first. That's a no. I fucking knew it. We're above 1,000. I'm happy with it, man. Maybe... Should we just go crazy? I mean, Fuck it. Let's go, boys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big grin. Oh my fucking god, big grin. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I lost. God damn it, dude! No! Why? Oh, it's so painful. It's so painful. Oh, God, no. Why did I do that?